Hey everybody, hope you guys are doing awesome today. Happy Friday. It is Friday, April 17th. Okay, to kick things off with our random question for today, I want to know what would be your dream job of anything that's out there. There's so many cool jobs that you could do. I mean, I'll tell you one of mine. Growing up, one of the coolest jobs I thought would be to be an announcer or like a commentator for the UFC. You get to be at every fight, you get to watch every fight, and you get to travel for it, and man, it would be awesome. That'd be so cool. And there's tons of other amazing jobs like that, and different ones, completely different. But tell me what you think. Like, what would be your dream job, and why? Why would you like it? I'm a kook, and I like to know what stuff you guys are interested in, and it's fascinating to me to know what careers you think are awesome. Side note, I think I might have told you guys this. I'm making a YouTube channel where I'm interviewing people about their careers. So I want to know which ones you guys like, so maybe I can find them. I can find those careers, do an interview, and that way you can see and learn from. Anyway, totally random. Sorry to distract, but okay, today our due date to remember is April 23rd, which is next Thursday. That is when we will have Access Chapter 2 due. So that gives us today, that gives us Tuesday, and that gives us Thursday. And keep in mind, we have the 3 assignments that we're doing for Access Chapter 2. We have the simulation training and the simulation exam. One just real quick reminder, make sure that you're using the guided instructions in the simulation training for whenever you get stuck. That's what's awesome about Access, is it's pretty straightforward. What you do in the trainings is what you see in the exams. So it should be very helpful if you need help. Okay, looking ahead, I have one item that I wanted to address with you guys, and I sent out an email last class. Didn't hear back too much, so I just thought I'd address it again just in case. So, would you like to work with other people from class? Some of you have mentioned that you miss that you really liked collaborating with people and working together, and you wish you could continue doing that. So I figured, why don't we try it? Why don't we keep trying to make that happen? So we can do that by exchanging emails, so that you can then exchange phone numbers and work via phone call or video call with someone from class. If you're interested in doing that, let me know by email. That way, if you want to exchange emails and a handful of other people do, then I can send out an email with the attached emails of people who are wanting to collaborate, and then you can exchange phone numbers and do phone calls or video chats or whatever you want to do. And hopefully that helps, because sometimes you get stuck in an assignment, and if you're working with somebody and they can show you what to do or help you out, and at least if you have 2 heads working on a problem, it usually helps you get stuff done faster, easier, and it's a better experience. So if you're interested in doing that, let me know, and then I'll help you guys get in touch via your emails, and that way you can collaborate. Okay, for today then, pretty simple. Today we're starting Access Chapter 2, the simulation training. Now, I went through and started the simulation training myself, and I saw that you're going to be importing information in the simulation training. So this chapter, you're going to be learning how to import information from Excel into Access. That's one of the cool features of Access. That way, if you have like a table that you've built in Excel, you can bring it over to Access and turn it into a database. And then after that, it's going to be teaching you how to do a query. Now, this again, side note, I thought this was pretty cool. My wife and I yesterday, we booked a flight that we now have to adjust. And so my wife was pulling it up so we can make the adjustments that we need to. And at the beginning it asks and said, what is your flight number and your last name? And then it had like another option. And it dawned on me, I was like, holy crap, they just have a database where they have all the flight numbers, and then they have all the passenger names. And so if we just punch in our flight number and our passenger name, it pulls our information up. So that way we can make the adjustments we need to. So we can like almost edit their own database just by using our information. And that would be a query, doing that search to find our information with the airline. And I don't know, it struck me and I was like, dang, this is cool. This is databases in action. Anyway, total nerd moment from me. So you guys have a great day. I'm excited to see what your dream jobs would be, and reach out to me. Let me know if you want to collaborate with other people. Let me know if I can help in any way. I hope you guys have an awesome weekend.